Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Academy and this is your friend Mahi. Today we are going to discuss about information and communication technology, which is also called as ICT. Let's get started, and please don't skip this video for better understanding. Let's start with what is ICT. ICT is the study of technology used to handle information and communication. Basically, ICT is the technology which supports activities that includes gathering, processing, storing and presenting data. According to United Nations Development Program, ICTs are basically information handling tools that are a varied set of goods, applications and services that are used to produce, store, process, distribute and exchange information. ICTs are an important sector of economic activity, achieving high growth rates in developed as well as in developing countries. ICTs are also a platform to exchange data, information, knowledge, and a tool to implement applications. Let's discuss about the advantages of ICT. Communication. Communication is more efficient to contact either business partners or friends and family members all over the world. ICT expands availability for communication. Social network sites and social media such as Skype allows making video conference calls with immediate response. Bridging the cultural gap. Greater access to the ICT has helped to build the bridges between difficult cultures, giving them opportunity to exchange views and ideas. Creation of jobs. The best advantage of ICT has been a creation of new and interesting jobs in IT sectors. Computer programmers, web designers, etc. have great employment opportunities created through the advancement of technology. Cost effectiveness. For business, ICT saves incredible amount of money on business flights and accommodations. Only few years ago, there was no way to send free message through to the phone, but now people use social network for free communication. Greater availability. ICT has made it possible for business to be automated, giving clients access to a website or voicemail 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Complex structure. Through ICT, teachers can easily explain complex structure, instruction, and ensure students' comprehension. Education. Computers, along with their programs and the internet, have created educational opportunities not available to the previous generations. Let's move to the disadvantages of ICT. Unemployment. While IT may have streamlined the business process, it has created job redundancies and subcontracting using the computers instead of human resource employees save huge amount of money, but employees are losing their jobs as not needed anymore. Social media. The network pages are open to everyone, including teenager and young children, which can affect their mental and physical health by watching and playing violent games. They become addicted to the phones, iPod, gaming consoles, forgetting about their outside activities and communication in the society. Lack of security or privacy. Through IT may have changed and more convenient, it also brought along privacy and security issues. From email hacking, phone signal interception, etc., people are worried about the leakage of personal information may become public knowledge. IT keeps changing almost every day, which means that the individuals must be up to date in IT to secure their jobs. Let's see some uses of ICT. ICT has become an integral part of our daily life and it has used common man in various ways in every field of life. Some of them are in education. There is no time boundation on an individual for getting educated by a teacher. Through ICT, a person can attend a class anytime and anywhere. Teachers can create interactive classes and make the lessons more interesting. Using ICT, teachers can explain even the most complex concept in a very simplified manner using graphics, videos, and animations. An individual can learn on pace he or she is comfortable. Learning resources can be accessed remotely. Use of ICT in healthcare. Automated hospital information systems can help to improve quality of care, decreased costs of treatment. ICT has significantly enhanced the service being provided and brought behavioral changes. This technology helps doctors, hospitals, the general public, and all other medical care providers. Pharmaceutical industry is the industry that enjoys the biggest uses of ICT. ICT has made e-health possible. Use of ICT in governance. Enhancing good governance practices, being more responsive and governing more effectively. The internet gives government the opportunity to offer public services and to provide information and policies more efficiently. ICT has helped in providing better response to customers and effective management. The extensive use of the internet has provided an opportunity to the government to offer services and information in an efficient manner. National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, which is called as NMEICT, is an ambitious project launched by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. So guys, this is about the ICT. Hope you like this video and please do like, share, subscribe to Lakshmi Academy. Thank you for watching.